Your eligibility for short and long-term disability benefits and neck pain or cervical spine disorders. Did you purchase a disability policy through your employer or on your own to provide your family with peace of mind or financial stability if you became disabled? Well, you made a wise decision, but unfortunately, disability insurance companies aren't in the business of always paying for disability insurance claims. They like to collect the premium but not pay the benefits. Disability carriers don't understand neck pain or cervical spine disorders, so let's take a minute to talk about it. Your spine's a beautiful piece of architecture, and the principal building block is the bone. Now, bone can have structural problems that cause neck pain or cervical spine disorders. You can have degenerative disc disease, stenosis, facet arthrosis, osteophytes, bone spurs, narrowing, or even osteoporosis. And you can even have a herniated cervical disc. Let's talk about what a herniated disc is. Between the bones of your spine are discs that allow the spine to move. A disc is a pad of cartilage. It has a tough outer layer, it's called the annulus, and a soft inner layer, called the nucleus. I think of it like a jelly-filled donut. In the case of a herniated disc, a portion of the nucleus pushes through a tear in the annulus. That can irritate the nerves of the spine that carry electrical signals from the brain to your arms and hands. A common symptom of a herniated cervical disc is radiating pain with tingling and numbness. It'll start in your neck and it'll travel down your shoulder into your hands and fingers. There's also degenerative disc disease. Now, degenerative disc disease can cause chronic neck pain, and it can flare up and it can cause headaches, limited range of motion of your neck, and it even can cause facial pain. And it can be very, very disabling. Spinal stenosis is a narrowing of the spinal canal that will cause you pain or numbness in your shoulders and into your arms. It can result in weakness and a loss of sensation in your arms, hands, and fingers. Now that we know about the different kinds of cervical disc disease, let's talk about the evaluation process used by disability carriers. Now, neck pain or a cervical spine disorder alone is rarely disabling unless it's severe. And I find that a combination of spinal conditions like spinal stenosis, a herniated cervical disc, or other problems will qualify you for your disability insurance benefits. Carriers are denying more initial disability claims than ever, and I find that they're denying neck pain or cervical spine disorders claims that they once accepted. That's why you've made the wise decision to watch this series of videos so that you can learn how to get the disability benefits you deserve. Let's explore that evaluation process used by disability carriers in every neck pain or cervical disorder claim. Step 1. Is your neck pain or cervical spine disorder a pre-existing condition? Now, every disability policy has a pre-existing condition clause, and that clause says, look, if you become disabled within a certain period of time after you have become covered under the policy, your disability is considered to be a pre-existing condition. The carrier legally does not have to pay your benefits. So it's crucial that you understand how the pre-existing condition clause works in your policy, what your medical records say, and that you don't pick the wrong date to become disabled, because carriers will often argue that your cervical spine problems are a pre-existing condition. Don't make a mistake. Contact us to learn more about your rights to disability benefits.